Welcome to the Commercial Community Tutorial Library. Did you know that oftentimes just being in the right place at the right time with the right community can lead to greater opportunities for your real estate business? Take the Rule of 72 for example, a simple leveraging tool we teach our commercial clients to help determine the best time to dispose of or seek to acquire a commercial property. Take John for example. John is a typical commercial property owner who purchases an apartment complex with $1 million of his own money, seeking to earn 6% in net pre-tax cash flow. By using the Rule of 72 and dividing the number 72 by 6, representing the 6% John earns annually, you'll be able to share with John that it will take him 12 years for his initial investment to double. But maybe John only wanted to hold onto his property for 8 years and wanted his money to double sooner than 12 years. All you need to do is divide 72 by 8, the number of years John would like to hold onto the property. The answer would tell John that he'd need to earn 9% per year in order for his initial investment to double in 8 years. John would need to decrease his property expenses and increase his property's annual income to achieve his 8-year goal. Just this bit of information, gained from using the Rule of 72, will help John decide how hard he would like to work or not work on his property. This may even cause John to consider disposing of his property sooner, putting you in a professional position to help him do so. Remember, being effective in commercial real estate is about surrounding yourself with the right tools and a community that can help you gain confidence in creating opportunities left otherwise unnurtured. To learn more about the Rule of 72 or more about becoming a DPR Commercial Community member, click the link below. DPR Commercial Community. Commercial real estate made simple.